Luo English Dictionary channel live stream. If you're joining us now, we are live, and today we talk about verbs in sentences. That means we talk about the verbs and then we create sentences. Remember, this is a live session, so I will be creating sentences on the fly. Now, you can participate by helping me create these sentences and also by giving me suggestions, ideas. That's how we build the language. Now, this channel helps people learn the native language all over the world. Interested? Please make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you never always miss videos that we post, or you never miss live streams like these. At this time, I'm just checking that my mitambos are all working, and I can see that they are working. So if you want to, please say hi on the chat box and I will acknowledge you. Now, if you're in Facebook, you can always share the stream with your friends. You can always like the stream. And guess what? If you like the stream, it appears on my screen. So that will be amazing for you. All right. So today we talk about verbs in sentences. But before we start on that, before we start on verbs with sentences, I want to go through some few things that we need to be aware of. In the Luo language, we have to be aware of some things. First is when you hear someone say an, they mean me. An, that's me. In, that's you. In. So an, me. In, you. N, him or her. N. And every time they say N, they should be pointing at somebody so that you know exactly who it is. So N becomes him or her. One, just like the number one. One is us. One, that's us. Then gin, them. Gin, not gin. Gin. So I'll start again. An, in, n, one, gin. All right. So that is the Luo language here. And I hope you're having fun with them. Can you try practice them out loud as I wait for you to say them? Practice them out loud. Then we start with the verbs now. The verb. So you will see the various forms. The reason why I was telling you about all that, you will see it right here. They. They means go. They. They. This is they. It is also, now if you pronounce it, you remember in the word of in the Bible, the. That is the. That means go. So this is how you pronounce it. You say the. But it has a short syllable. The. So now let's marry what I started with what I've written here. See this here? I want to marry those two so that you can start seeing where it works, okay? Now here I said an, in, n, one, gin. So this means an, in, n, one, gin. And now here, the. The. So what does the mean? And means me. An, the. So I am going, okay? The. I am going. So what does I, the mean now? So you can quickly say that, okay? I, the. So I, the becomes you are going, okay? Because in is you. So I, the is you are going. Then we move on to o, the. Remember o. And did I say o here? Oh, I didn't. So o becomes she or he is going. She, he is going. Okay? And then we move on to gi, 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 gin. Gin was they. Gin is they are going. They are going. And then finally, wa, one, 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 we. One is we are going. We are going. And they. You are going. Now this you is not one person, but you, all of you, y'all, like the Southerners say, y'all are going. Okay? They. You all are going. Y'all are going. So let's start again. The. I'm going. The. You are going. The. She is going. The. They are going. Then the. We are going. And the. Y'all are going. You love that? Now, have you subscribed? You guys, man, have you subscribed? We are looking for subscribers. Subscribers. Come on, subscribers. Come on, subscribers. We are looking for you. Subscribers. So please subscribe. We need subscribers here. We need subscribers here. Now the next word, the next verb is ne no. Ne no. Ne no. Ne no is see. See. Now ne no. You just say ne no. Ne no. Ne no. See ne no. So then I look at the derivatives of neno, and the derivatives become a neno. I am seeing a neno. I neno. So I am seeing. You are seeing. She is seeing. That is o neno. Or he is seeing. Wa neno. We are seeing. Then gi neno. They are seeing. And then u neno. Y'all are seeing. Okay? A neno. I am seeing. In neno. You are seeing. Oneno. Oneno. She, he is seeing. Then wa neno. We are seeing. Wa neno. We are seeing. Gi neno. They are seeing. And u neno becomes y'all are seeing. I like that saying, y'all. 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 Y'all are seeing. Okay? That is a seeing. That is ne no. 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 Okay? Wa neno. Gi neno. O neno. I neno. A neno. Amazing. So that is the one for nano or seeing. Let me check how you're doing on YouTube, man. So sometimes I may be speaking to myself. If you can hear me, just click on the like button, no matter. All right, there we go. We are there. We are live. We are kicking. Kicking it. Uh-oh. Roger, wait. Oh yeah, that's looks good. Looks good. Yeah, that's amazing. So let's move on to the next sentence. The next one is ya wo. Ya wo. Ya wo. This is ya wo. Open. Ya wo. Ya wo. So I think you've now gotten the drift. I don't want to do this again. I'll just be doing the same thing over and over. So aneno, ineno, oneno, waneno, gineno, you uneno, like that, okay? I'll be doing it for all of them. So ya wo becomes a. Yawo becomes ayawo, iyawo, oyawo, wa yawo, gi yawo, and u yawo. So ayawo, iyawo, oyawo, wa yawo, and gi yawo. So that is how you go about this, okay? Ayawo, iyawo, oyawo, wayawo, giyawo, uyawo. That's open. Then let's go on to close. That's the opposite of open, which is close, and the opposite is lo ro. Lo ro. Lo ro. Lo ro. Say loro. Lo ro. Lo ro. Lo ro. So a loro, I loro, o loro, wa loro, gi loro, u loro. U loro. Okay? A loro, I loro, o loro, wa loro, gi loro, u loro. So that's loro, which is close. So next one is luoko. Luoko. Luoko means wash. Luoko. 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 Lu o ko. Luoko. Wash. Luoko. A luoko. A luoko. O luoko. O luoko. I luoko. I luoko. Wa luoko. Wa luoko. Gi luoko. Gi luoko. U luoko. U luoko. So I am washing. She's washing or he's washing. You are washing. We are washing. They are washing. Y'all are washing. Okay? Then we move on to ni ndo. Ni ndo. Ni ndo. Ni ndo. Ni ndo. Nindo. Nindo. Anindo. 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 onindo, onindo, unindo, unindo, wanindo, wanindo, ginindo, ginindo, inindo, inindo. So nindo means sleep. Okay? Then we move on to wake. The opposite of sleep is wake, and wake means chie wo. Chie wo. Wake is chi e wo. Chi e wo. Chi e wo. Chi chi e wo. Chi e wo. Wake. Chi e wo. Chi e wo. Wake. A chi e wo. A chi e wo. I chi e wo. Wa chi e wo. O chi e wo. Gi chi e wo. And u chi e wo. U chi e wo. Okay? Then make is lo so. Allah, didn't we say lo so just now? Let me check. Didn't we just say lo so, right? Oh, that is loro. Haha, my bad. Loro, this is loro. Close is loro. And I thought we just said lo so. Sorry, I'm sorry. Lo so. So lo so means make. Lo so. Lo so. Lo so. Lo so. Aloso. Uloso. Waloso. Giloso. Oloso. Iloso. So it's not iloso. It's iloso. It's not jailoso. It's giloso. It's not aloso. It's aloso. Don't say aloso because you're seeing an A there. So just say aloso. Don't say aloso. Aloso. Are you saying aloso? Is it aloso or aloso? It's aloso, not aloso. Okay? And it's not jai. It's gi. 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 Giloso. Then the next one is drink, and drink is modo. 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 Now, this can also be done like this. Modo. That is the same thing I'm talking about. So if you say modo, it's the same as saying modo. 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 Does that make sense? Modo. 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 The English can be modo. Modo. Can you say this? Say modo. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. You're doing great. Modo. A modo. I modo. O modo. U modo. Wa modo. And gi modo. So I am drinking. You are drinking. She is drinking or he is drinking. Y'all are drinking. We are drinking. And they are drinking. Those are the meanings. So I'm drinking. You're drinking. She's drinking. He's drinking. Y'all are drinking. We are drinking. They are drinking. Modo. The next one is ri-e-yo. 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 Rie-yo. Not rai. Not right. This is a very difficult one because you see when you the e in English is the way we say it is we say e, but in Luo we say eh. So that's the difference. So this is not rai-yo, but not rai-yo, because that is how you would say it. You'd say, oh, this is rai-yo. No, it's not. Don't say that. Say ri-e-yo. 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 Okay? So what does that mean? Ari-e-yo, I'm stretching. Ori-e-yo, she is stretching. Iri-e-yo, you are stretching. Uri-e-yo, y'all are stretching. Giri-e-yo, they are stretching. Wari-e-yo, we are stretching. Okay? Ri-e-yo, stretch. Ri-e-yo. Good job. Then the next one is right. And right is ndi. Ndi. You have to pronounce the N. Di. Ko. Di. Ko. But now you put them together. Put them together so it's ndi ko. So ndi ko becomes ndi ko. Ndi ko. Ndi ko. Can you say that? And then I met my friend last week and they could not say ndi. I'm like, wait a minute. How can you not say ndi? So can you practice? Please practice with me. Ndiko. 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 So the die is D. D. That is D. Ndiko. 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 Andiko. Indiko. Undiko. Ondiko. Gindiko. Wandiko. Easy peasy. Now next one is so mo. So mo. Somo. 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 Asomo. Asomo. I'm reading. Isomo. You are reading. Usomo. Y'all are reading. Osomo. She is reading or he is reading. Gisomo. They are reading. And wasomo. We are reading. So, mo. Read. Mo. Somo. Asomo. Isomo. Osomo. Usomo. Gisomo. Wasomo. 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 Osomo. Osomo. Wisomo. The next one is a little challenging because of the N and G. I don't know how I'll say this. Ch. Ch. U. Ch. U. Ng. Ng. Chu. Ng. Chung. 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 Now when you say sing, sing. Say that when you say sing. Someone who sings, okay? This is the sound. This is the sound that we have there. Okay? So this ng, sing, this sound is what we have here. This is the sound here. Sing, chung, chung, sing, chung, chung. Okay? Achung, ichung, ochung, uchung, gichung, wachung. I say that again. Achung. Ichung. Ochung. Uchung. Gichung. And wachung. So that's the sound right there. This ng. That's a very difficult sound because most people do not have that sound in their vocabulary. So they encounter it first in the Luo or Acholi language, and then they're like, wait a minute, what is this? And now you know how to do it. You just say singer. When you are saying singer, nga, chunga, chunga. Okay? Bet, 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 bet. So abet, ibet, obet, ubet, wabet, and gibet. Bet, bet. Then there is wo, to. This is a large one again, but it's not very difficult to say. Woo, 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 o, to, to. Woo, o, to. Woo, o, to. Woo, o, to. Awoto, iwoto, owoto, wawoto, giwoto, uwoto, awoto, iwoto, owoto, wawoto, giwoto, uwoto, awoto, iwoto, owoto, wawoto, giwoto, uwoto, awoto, 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 giwoto, uwoto, awoto, awoto, iwoto. Then, ri, ngo. This is different from the saying nga. You remember the ng? The ng sound, it had an apostrophe. You know the ng had an apostrophe. This does not have an apostrophe. So this is a ng. 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 So not ng. This here, this one was ng. This is ng because of this apostrophe. Ng. Ng. But this is nga. 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 So, and which is the best English word? The best English word would be well, if I get one, I'll write it here. If I get one, I'll write it here. So ringo, ringo, aringo, oringo, aringo, I'm running. Oringo, she's running, he's running. Oringo, you are running. Giringo, they are running. Waringo, we are running. Iringo, you are running. Oringo, y'all are running. 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 Ringo, running. Ringo, running. Ringo, running. Ringo, running. Ringo, running. Ringo, running. Biro, not biro. You say biro. 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 And you see English, this is by. Biro. So don't say biro. Say biro. That means come. A biro, I'm coming. O biro. Wa biro. U biro. Y'all are coming. Gi biro. I biro. Okay? Abiro, obiro, wabiro, ubiro, gibiro, ibiro. Obiro, obiro, wabiro, ibiro, gibiro, ibiro. Wabiro, obiro, wabiro, obiro, ubiro, gibiro, ibiro, abiro. Then the next one is dawo. Da-wo. Dawo. Da-wo. Dawo. So, can you say this? Da-wo. Dawo. The world. The world. The world. When you're those people who say the. The world. The. The war. Dawo. Dawo. Oh, thou means fight, and the word means fight. Adawo, idawo, wa dawo, gi dawo, u dawo, and o dawo, and o dawo. So dawo means fight. And guess what, guys? We made it! Yay! I should put like effects, sound effects. So when I say we made it, and then put the clap effect, Let me see if I can find it on YouTube. The problem with YouTube is if you do someone's work, they copyright. Hey, copyright is very crazy here in YouTube. You must do your original thing. You just let me get clapping sound. We made it! So let me know what you think. Let me know whether this was a good thing for you. Let me know whether you learned something new. That would be an amazing thing to be told about. And thank you so very much for always supporting our channel. Let me see if it has a. Oh, I knew that. I knew it had some issues. So let me just a minute. No, wait. Wait a minute. Ah, there you go. I have it. Wait. Wait, relax. Hey, YouTube, yeah. YouTube is crazy. They want me to do everything. They want me to, oh, see what, oh. Now, let me see if whether I have sound. We made it! Oh my goodness. Yes, we do. All right, can you hear me? We made it! Yay! Sound is there, right there. You can hear the background. All those people are amazing, amazing guys.